Here we have a label printer maker. You see it's already hooked up to my phone right here. It is Bluetooth, and I'll show you the steps on how to use it. The paper is already in here, and see it's already connected to my phone. So I'm going to go to templates. There's different templates that you can make, retail, office, medical, blessing, barcode, or addresses. I'm going to do blessing, and I'm just going to pick one. I'm just going to pick this one. It says thanks, and then I'm going to press print, and here's my label maker right here. So I'll hold it like this so you guys can see it. We're going to print it. And there we go. Oops, this one. So here it is. Sticker already done, and it says thanks, and you can put it on an envelope, on a package. I really like this device. I will definitely be using this for everything. I have my own business, and so now I can make my own stickers and not have to buy them from other people. And yeah. Hopefully you guys like it. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. And here you see you can actually put in your own things. So like if you want to put a text in here, you can take that out and you can write your own text, and there's like different fonts and whatnot. You could do a barcode in there. You can put a QR code in there. It's like whatever you want to do. There's definitely different options for you to do it. You can put a frame.
Okay, so this is a little bit of a trick if you're using aftermarket paper and it's not wanting to print clearly. So if you take the roll of paper that this comes with and very carefully peel up that green sticker right there, that is on the end of the roll itself, you carefully peel it up and stick it on this part of the printer right there, you can fool it into printing correctly, and that's because there is an RFID tag inside of that little green sticker. And there's an RFID reader inside of the printer itself. But basically, if you're using third-party paper, or whatever, aftermarket paper, it'll look like this without that. But then with that little sticker in there, it will look way clearer.
Hot as hell out here. Even with the ocean breeze. Think we'll find anything?